Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog doors that are available on the market for their true quality. Just based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Endura Flap Double Flap Wall Mount Dog Doors. Winds can blow up to 50 miles per hour, and the magnets on this dog door should keep it closed. That means you are in no danger of damage or higher energy costs when you install this pet door. Then the tough and durable tunnel should last you a long time. Rust and corrosion should not be a problem throughout your dog's lifetime. On top of that, a clip lock locks the door nice and tight so you can go away and not worry about a break-in. Plus, this door is made to flush mount and is made out of metal. That should give you the longevity you want in a good pet door. One flap does it all for you and makes your dog's life a little easier as they have freedom of movement. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Perfect Pet, the all-weather energy-efficient dog doors. Slide into security. When your dog is in for the night or you are going on vacation, slide the security panel down and protect your property. 4 screws hold the dog door in place and gives your pet free access to the outside. Those screws help you attach this pet door to your back door even though it measures between 3/4 and 1 3/4 inches in size. The telescoping design has it fitting a variety of back doors. After installation, your pet should have about 10 by 17 inches of opening to travel through. A double flap system helps keep your energy inside where it belongs while letting your dog use the door without worry. Made from tough molded plastic with your security in mind. At number 3, we have the PetSafe Freedom Aluminum Pet Door. Traditional back doors are not the only type of door you have on the back of your home. There are glass doors, panel doors and more. This dog door model should work with those alternatives easily. Its 5-inch adjustment should let you fit this dog door perfectly into place. Installation is also not that hard to do. With 3 colors available, you should be able to match your door's existing color with little trouble. In addition to that, you also get a security slide door to make sure no one but your dog enters your home when you are not looking. Shattered resistant glass and aluminum make sure this dog door lasts and lasts. At number 2, we have the PetSafe Dog Doors Replacement Flap. There will be those times where your dog has used its pet door so much that the flap wears out. Do not be alarmed, there is always a flap replacement available to make sure your dog can use its door every day. This replacement flap comes in the standard 10 by 15 in size, so you can easily repair your dog door without buying a new one. A magnetic closure is included so your home stays protected from the outside elements. There is good news for smaller dog door owners. You can find a replacement door in smaller sizes as well. You are protected when your dog wears out its entry door. That is good news for you and your pet. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetSafe Plastic Pet Door. A soft vinyl flap should not hurt your dog when he or she enters or exits this pet door. It should be soft to them while tough on the weather. No matter the size of your pet, you can find a model in their size from 15 pounds on up to 220 pounds. With a snap on a panel, you can keep your pet inside or unwanted animals and humans out when you are not home. Good for doors that measure up to 2 inches thick. You should not have a problem installing this pet door for your loyal dog. When you do not want the white frame, you can always paint it to match the color of your home. An approximately 10 by 15 inch opening should be all the opening your dog needs to take care of his or her business. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.